Hey guys, it is 4:30 in the morning and we're about to go fish a lake at Oconee. I'm pretty sure we're going to start off crappie fishing and then we're going to troll for hybrid and some sharper. So yeah, peace. Hey guys, we're about 15 minutes away from the arena that we're going to get on the boat. And we're stopping at a McDonald's and get a little breakfast before we go out and fish. So I'll check in when we get to the arena. So hey guys, we are at the arena. We're about to head out and start going fishing. So we're going to be on this boat right there. So yeah,
Filming with the GoPro.
And then probably another camera. So yeah, see you guys.
Hold on, now go.
So what up? First fish is a crappie. This crappie right here. Oh, it's in Lake Oconee. So yeah. So I got my third crappie of the day right here. So this next time I'm gonna actually turn the GoPro on so you can see me catch it. Because the last few times I've failed to do that. So yeah, bye guys. So hey, we've caught a lot of crappie today. Corey, I'm gonna show him the crappie. Show him the So yeah, hopefully we can get one on video. We haven't had really any luck with getting one on video yet. So yeah. Bye. Hey, I got my sixth crappie. Here he is right, or fifth crappie, and he's right here. So not very big one this time, but it's still crappie. So yeah, good fishing here. Yeah, he caught two. What are you fishing for?
Fish.
Yeah. So yeah, that's Brandon the fisherman. 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I just caught my sixth crappie here. So a bigger one than all the other ones. I'm just gonna point that out. So yeah.
Alright, we got it.
Hey guys, just caught my seventh crappie right here.
There's 3
They're
species.
biting that crazy in the spot.
Hybrids, they all
So yeah,
always feed us. Them 3 species.
they're really cool
striper
kind of
hybrids,
fish.
the sun hurts their eyes.
Whoops.
So you got
So
first
there
jobs
it
that
is.
they like to catch these fish.
Yeah, that's like 39 for the group. Hopefully we can get 50.
They bite better
So
all
peace.
day.